Hello everybody, welcome to another review. Today we'll be testing Panda Cloud Security 2012, I guess. It's the latest version. There you go, that's how it looks like. It's the cloud antivirus. It's just the antivirus. Works on the cloud. It's got no update. That's something new for users. It always runs in the cloud, so always have the latest signatures, so you don't have to update it all the time. Now you can run your scans over here. Now report. This recycle bin is just a new name for quarantine. And you can see advanced settings here. You can disable auto run, vaccinate your USB drive. See what else they've got. Now, in scan, you can enable detection of potentially unwanted programs. You can add a background scan after cache synchronization. Behavior blocking is enabled. Now, behavior analysis, I think it probably requires, yep, there you go. It requires you to buy the Panda Cloud Antivirus Pro, so we can't use that. You don't get it in the free version, so can enable that, although it's there. Now you can scan compressed files, of course. You can change the way it gives you warnings and reports. If you disable it, you won't get any warnings from EV or anything. Now of course you can add exclusions here. Now I'm gonna add Hitman Pro because it detects that. No, we'll leave it just the way it is. So that's basically it. A pretty simple interface, good for inexperienced users, not much to mess about. It's good. So, nothing else here. That's all you can do with it, and that's what it's made for. It's just a cloud AV. It doesn't have firewall or lots of other fun jazz. It's just made for basic protection. So, let's see how it does. Now let me just grab a few links here. Before that, let's just check out the resource usage. Okay, so this one's using around 20 right now, but I've seen it fall to quite a lot. The URL filter always uses around 5 megs. Now there you go. No, I think it's okay, there we go. Now both of them have fallen drastically. Now they're both using, I think, around 3 megs combined. Okay, 3 to 5 now. URL's using about 5, so it's around 10 megs, not too much. So pretty good resource usage there. Now they've got some kind of URL filter, so we'll test that out. Let me grab some links. Okay, so we've got these two files. Now these are all the links I used to test Comodo, so I'm gonna test it with these just to give you a comparative analysis. Now we'll also use a few more links just to give a fair test to Panda, because most of these didn't work and now even more don't work, so we'll use all of these in some of the next file. So I also use both of these files to test Rising, so that should be good. Okay, so it's got a security toolbar. It wants me to set Yahoo as my home page, but I won't. Doesn't matter. So let's get started with links. Now this one doesn't work. Okay, so Internet Explorer slows down a bit while using this safe browsing from Panda. Kind of slows it down, but that's okay because it works also great. There we go, it's blocked this one as it contains exploits, but I'm gonna bypass it. No, I'm not. Not this time. I'll leave some of them just like this and some I'll bypass just to see. Okay, so page has been blocked. Let's leave it this way. When I'll be testing the next file, I'll bypass this warning and show you how the AV works. Okay, that's blocked as well, so that's good. So this Panda URL filter works pretty good. It blocks a lot of sites. There you go, this one's blocked as well. Okay, so that's blocked as well. So it's working great, the URL filter, at least. Okay, this one's opened. Some kind of fake banking something. Rising caught it. No, it was this one. Okay. So of course Panda doesn't have all the features to detect these things, but maybe the blocker should have got this one. Okay, there you go. It's crashed. And Net Explorer. There we go. It's some banking thing. It's probably Trojan banker. Hangs the system. Anyway, so we're gonna use Task Manager to terminate that, and we'll continue. To kill the process. It's totally hung up here. Okay. So let's get started again. We're doing this one. This one's still causing problems here. It's not responding. So, okay, there we go. Okay, so this also is some kind of exploit, but doesn't work, I guess, with the browser or something like that. Nothing got this one. Rising did, neither did Comodo, so we'll consider that this doesn't work. Okay, so we'll go off to the next link. Panda really slows down your browser. I mean, the add-on does. Especially when you get threats. Okay, so I think this one's gonna be blocked. You can see it's just opening there. There you go, it's blocked. So we won't bypass anything right now. Okay. Panda generally has pretty good signatures, so as you can see, it's got a lot of signatures in the web filter, so blocks quite a lot of. There you go, this one's blocked as well. So when I try the next links, I'll be using this bypass to get to the site, and I'll show you how the AV works as well. Because till now I think it's all been just the URL filter. I don't think I've got anything from this AV. Okay, so we'll do that one. one doesn't work. This one probably doesn't work either, so we'll try this one. You can experience that, you can see that it's slowing down quite a lot. Now this machine has, I think, around 1 gig of RAM, and I used it, well, my test of rising and all, you must have seen that the Explorer was quite zippy, not like this, so that's something Panda have to work on. Okay, so let's try the next link. So this one's blocked as well. You can see it's opening that blocked page. There you go, it's blocked. Really annoying, this Panda slowdown, so that's, I think they'll have to work on that. Now I know the last couple, no, the last one didn't work. Okay, so that's blocked as well. Try this one, and that's the last one. The last one didn't work, so there you go. I think this one was blocked as well. Was it? Yep. Yes. Blocked. Or didn't work. Whatever. No. This one's blocked as well. You can see it's just opening there, the blocked thing. Now we'll try the second few links. As you can see, it's okay. That last one was blocked. This time we'll bypass some of these warnings and see how the AV works. So I think Panda blocked each and every site, excluding I think one, and blocked all the files. So great job by the URL blocker. Now we'll see how well the AV performs, but so far so good. Okay, so strangely this wasn't blocked by Panda. Okay, so there we go. It's got that virus. Okay, as I said, Panda have pretty good signatures, so I don't think they'll miss these threats, because I think they're already about, let's say, 16 hours old. It's just half an hour since I tested Comodo, so it's not a big difference, but the difference is I think Panda are a lot more ahead in signatures. But of course Comodo has its own strengths. I mean, Panda doesn't have a defense plus or sandbox, so this one doesn't work. Okay, so this one was probably blocked by the URL filter. But as I said, this time we're gonna bypass all this. We're gonna test about 2 more links, then we'll call this test over. Okay, I understand. So I'm gonna bypass this and see how the AV performs. So okay, that's fair enough. Oops, sorry about that. Okay, so this was blocked. No, it wasn't blocked by the URL filter, so I can run it. Looks like that one went right through. No, it didn't. Panda got it, so that's very good. There you go, documents and settings. Okay, so it's caught by the antivirus. They've really got great signatures, Panda, enviable. Something as good as MC Soft almost. Okay, so this will be the last one that we'll do. This one didn't work, so I'm not bothering with that. This one is probably blocked, but we'll proceed to the site and find out for sure if it's blocked or not. So really, the browser slows down quite a lot. I think that's something really Panda have to consider. But other than that, the URL blocker looks as it works really great. Download this one, 15.exe something. Okay, there we go. Run it. Okay. That's the last link. Now I think that one went right through Panda because I'm not getting anything. No. I think this a little late to respond, but it's working nevertheless. So okay, it says have to do some step-by-step procedure to kill it. Maybe it says it's adware. Anyway, well, let's see what it does. Okay, sorry about that. Okay, in fact, and you must restart. Okay, so we'll restart after the last link. Okay, so we'll just restart after this last link. It's getting quite a lengthy test. Doesn't matter. What matters is that you're properly fine with the product. Really good enough or not that good enough. There you go. You need to restart your computer to neutralize this file. Now it's not gonna let me rest till I restart, but anyway, we'll do the last link. Doesn't look like it's gonna let me. Really hanging over here, causing a lot of problems. Okay, so there we go. Okay, so this was blocked, but as I said, we'll proceed and we'll see if the EV blocks it. Come on. Okay, so I'll pause the video. No, okay, there we go. It's come up, and I'll just bypass this last one. Download the file just to show you guys that. Okay, so okay, finally. It took quite a long time to get started. Okay, so this strange file now didn't extract. Looks like Panda might have got that one. Won't say anything till I restart, so I'm gonna restart and I'll be right back. There you go. So I'll be back after the restart is done. So see you guys then. Okay, so finally I got the system to restart. It was pretty slow. It's now also, you can see, I mean, nothing's loaded yet. Here you go, it's loading pretty slowly. Panda especially Takes quite a long time to load up, but did its job, I guess, mostly. So now, after Panda's done its work, just like I did with Comodo, I'm not gonna do a full scan with Panda. I'll be doing it in my next reviews, other than Rising. So, I mean, I won't be doing a full scan. Panda isn't telling me to do anything else. You can see. So what I'll do is I'll disable Panda, run Hitman Pro. Okay, so it's still getting some viruses. And sorry about that. Now, okay, it's got all the viruses. Now it says it's okay and there are no problems. So what I'll do, okay, I think it got Hitman Pro. There you go. So what I'll do is I'll recover it, then I'll run a scan with Hitman Pro, and then I'll be back with the results because I'm running out of time here. Welcome back, everybody. This is Hitman Pro. Just completed its scan and found this one thing, MGT99018.ocx and System32. So Panda did miss this one Trojan, but we did a pretty extensive test. As you saw, we tested quite a lot of links. Now I think Panda just missed this one, probably didn't have signatures for it, and it doesn't have any second line of defense, so that's a problem. But saying that, I think Panda did very well. I think even better than Comodo. Means for the features it had, I mean, according to the test, of course Comodo had more features, so it sandboxed the process, but detection wise I think Panda has done better. We tried so many links and I think there's only one thing got through, while Comodo didn't have signatures for quite a lot of files, but did protect somewhat. So Comodo, I think, gets the upper hand because it's got defense plus, but according to our test, and it's got this one infection. Comodo had all in temp files, so they didn't count that much. But this one's a System32 infection, so it's tough to say. I mean, both of them did okay. I mean, Panda did exceedingly well on detection ratio, but I think this one thing let it get by, and because it doesn't have sandbox or defense plus or any heuristic intrusion prevention system, it let this one set itself in System32. And slowdown's been an issue, so if I were to give Panda something, I'd probably give it an 8 on 10. I'd give it a 9.5 on 10 in detection, but if you combine all the features and assess the software, it hasn't really got too much of protection. I mean, if it doesn't have signatures for it, that's that. Nothing else. So maybe, but still it's got an exceedingly good detection rate. Side much better than Comodo, so we'll give it an 8 out of 10. So hope you guys enjoyed this review. We'll remove this Trojan. That's it. Have a nice day.